Kublai vi barok ki viewers khamtame ya ki khun samlang ki badang up community ya ki kam ki jam ki jong phi te hagane ke video ngan perlain bat ngan penmi yang phi ka bede bat ka khubor Laitkam tela kham slem ka khlam yo shu ban penmi ya ki khubor Laitkam te hang ne ngin pe khian hak bede bat ki khubor Laitkam kata ka bede jong ka Indian Air Force IAF kebala penmi ngagubenta ka Agnivir Vayu musician Nagmenta ka snam arja arap new. Di ka Indian Air Force kalau kod application nagmenta ki unmarried males and female. Ki Indians male or female candidates. Na ki state prepare ba kila ban apply nagmenta kini ki post jong ki musician. Especially aspiring musician from Meghalaya and Northeast. Di kham kyrpang kidei na po state Meghalaya bat na Northeast. Di kermen lada phi la tebit haga ka musician na po Meghalaya lada phi apply kermen bai bapinyo namar hangni la dep tho lupa bakin sajit kyrpang na ka state Meghalaya bat na Northeast hi. Di hangni skapa the pre-registered recruitment rally is scheduled to take place from August 31st to September 9. Mo nagabenta ka recruitment rally live poetry u August hadu September knaitari. Na kala bande hapo center New Delhi Bengaluru nangta candidates from Meghalaya, Assam and other northeast states are exempted from entering Aadhaar card details if they do not possess one, making the registration process highly accessible. Read on the top. Nakbenta ki candidates ki banobo Meghalaya yo let's say pimdon ya ka Aadhaar card henrei la pediang be mo bepinlei namda ketika recruitment rally. Di ka recruitment details hangni ke jong ka Indian Air Force ka post name Agnivir Vayu musician neta application mode kade online registration and registration start date kade July arpho tarik arphunriu nadu khat way bejam step but last date of registration kade tarik u August arajar arphunriu hadu khat way beje janmiet mo minmiet ala badong neta rally dates kade August 31st to September 9 rally venues kade 2nd ASC New Delhi and 7 ASC Bengaluru, Karnataka. An application fees kade 6 patangka plus 18% GST non-refundable. Dijisin berpila siwi kani 6 patangka klem pimla syuk ban klim biang lene ban yok biang. Nangta eligible criteria nagbinta ki Indian Air Force musician in Agnivir Vayu. To participate in the upcoming Indian Air Force musician rally, candidates must meet the strict eligibility conditions set by the CSB. Age limit or date of birth, candidate must be born in between January 1st, 2005 and July 1st, 2009. Both dates exclusive. Teki candidates ki bakha paling gini kita ring kila ban apply. Mo bat ka apa age limit kan day hadu apa arsnam. Nangta marital status only unmarried male and female candidates are eligible. Ki badang samla be bompat don kundon kiti. Okay. Nangta educational qualification kadi pass matriculation or class 10 or equivalent with minimum pass mark from the recognized central, state or UT government board. The candidates ki bala pass tangya ka matriculation ani class 10 lu kilala ban apply nang uta ketika post musician jongka Agnivir. Nangta music ability instrument kadi namta ki list A wind brass instrument concert flute piccolo obio bat terter kini mo saplehi hangne bat lari pikwa ban play details download nya ka advertisement kabang bu number kaling mo po description box nangta list B kabdi keyboard string percussion te mapi kibadi ki musician pitip ha namta kini ngam da di u musician tengam da don idea namta kini mo nangta Shushu hang ni incomplete namta ki candidates ki bala pendep ya ka diploma in classical music mo. Nangta physical standard. Ka height namta ki males kadai 162 centimeters, namta females kadai 152 centimeters. Mo nakabanta ki northeast pade female kadai 147 centimeters. Kan mau hama chis pak sau punyo centimeters namta nakabanta ki kentai. And visual acuity kadai 6 by 12 in each eye. Mo kabor jing yu ijong piru pide ban test pide ban biang. Nangta hamda don kaman bata gitu te nangta ka physical fitness test PFT ka bade waypoint 3 kilometer runs within 7 minutes male and 8 minutes female. Mo chi kilometer shiteng papo inyo minute namta ki senrang bat per minute namta ki gente keju hi kilometer mo. Nangta kadon ru ka push up, sit up, but squat. Nangta kadon ka English written test, objective types, question. Nangta salary pade. Ani ka benefit hang ni. Nangta ki candidates ki ban sayo ban tray hang ka agnivir vayu musician post ka salary ka long gumne first year ka de lai 4,000 in hand ka de 4,000 nangta agnivir corpus fund ka de 9,000. Nangta second year life pelajar in hand pio pelajar sispa jaga corpus fund pio kan late pelajar sispa. Nangta third year kan de life pelajar sispa in hand pio pelajar sispa sanpo jaga corpus fund kan de pelajar sispa sanpo. Nangta fourth year kan de sau pelajar in hand pio pelajar jaga corpus fund kan de pelajar. Nangta exit benefit on completion of 4-year candidate receive approximately 10.04 lakhs. Mo, te hadin bu pila dia agate ka south nem pinyo ba agate ka 3.4 something lakhs. Na kabenta ka se seva nidhi package. Mo kabla penbu lomba ketika corpus fund. Nangta tangkum tu ya kabay day bat kini te sumbawan leche ki cyber wajan jungpi na kabenta ban phaya rabiki ban apply nang ta kiti post te kan mau ha ko ki khun samla ki bala pandep ya ka diploma in musician te la rapi yang karan yang renyot wat nom penle no kan ni kabu namar la batai shai hang ni ba kin sapik penia bat kin sapik khamha na kabenta ki candidates ki banapo Meghalaya bat na not is tangkatahi subhawanam plat pat ban share like bat subscribe na kabenta ki we pade ki khobor Laitkam ke banang mi hagini gi singi hagini gi banai hagini ki snem gi banang wan kumle shibun kumle shi jarmo